Python has built-in support for complex numbers, allowing for direct definition and manipulation. They have the format a plus bj, where a is the real part and b is the imaginary part, and j represents the square root of -1. A complex number can be created directly using the j notation or using complex function. You can create a complex number by appending a j to the imaginary part. The real and imaginary parts can be integers or floating point numbers. They can be represented in scientific notation. The order of addition doesn't change the result. Use the j letter in one of the components. For example, 5j plus 6 and 6 plus 5j are the same. They are interpreted as 6 plus 5j. J cannot be used alone. For example, 9 minus j is not a valid complex number. You will get a name error because Python interprets it as an expression. Instead, use 1j. The complex function in Python is used to create complex numbers by providing the real and imaginary parts as arguments. This is the syntax. Real. The real part of the complex number, default is 0 if not provided. IMAG. The imaginary part of the complex number, default is 0 if not provided. When the complex function is called with no arguments, the function returns 0j. When the complex function is called with a single argument, that argument is the real part and the imaginary part will be 0j. You can use negative numbers also. In general, you can use integers and floating point numbers as arguments. The complex function can also parse a string into a complex number if its only argument is a string representation of a complex number. The string argument must follow the format of complex numbers with no spaces. If you add spaces, then you get a value error. If the first parameter is a string, you should not pass any other argument. If a second argument is passed, then you will get a type error. You cannot use strings to provide the imaginary part of complex numbers. You will get a type error. You can access the real part of a complex number using the .real attribute and the imaginary part using the .imag attribute. They return the real and imaginary part of the complex number as floats. For example, z1.real returns the real part of 3 plus 4j as float 3.0. z2.imag returns the imaginary part of z2 as a float -2.0. The conjugate of a complex number a plus bj is a minus bj. In Python, every complex number has a built-in method .conjugate that returns its complex conjugate. The conjugate method returns the complex conjugate of a complex number, which is obtained by flipping the sign of the imaginary part. For example, here conjugate method flips the sign of the imaginary part 4j, returning the complex conjugate 3 minus 4j. To download practice Python file, please click on the link in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.